Boeing 747 Jumbo Jet. The Boeing 747, introduced in 1970, revolutionized air travel as the first wide-body jet. Known as the Queen of the Skies, it features an iconic hump-shaped upper deck. Owned by airlines like Lufthansa and British Airways, a new 747-8 costs around $400 million. While production ended in 2022, the 747's legacy lives on as many are converted into freighters. Its future lies in cargo operations and historical preservation, with some retired models becoming museum exhibits or private luxury jets. Concorde. The Concorde, a supersonic passenger jet, flew at Mach 2.04, cutting transatlantic flights to 3.5 hours. Operated by British Airways and Air France, it was a luxury icon. Retired in 2003, its original price was $46 million. Today, efforts to revive supersonic travel are underway, with companies like Boom Supersonic developing new models. The Concorde's legacy inspires future aircraft aiming to combine speed and sustainability, potentially bringing back supersonic flights by the 2030s. Airbus A380. The Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger plane, can carry up to 853 passengers. Known for its spacious cabins, it's operated by Emirates and Singapore Airlines. A new A380 costs $445 million. Despite production ending in 2021, the A380 is seeing renewed interest post-pandemic for high-density routes. Its future includes potential upgrades for improved fuel efficiency and extended service life, ensuring it remains a key player in long-haul travel for decades. Antonov An-225 Maria. The Antonov An-225 Maria, the world's largest aircraft, was a Soviet-era engineering marvel with a 640-ton capacity and an 88.4-meter wingspan. Designed to carry oversized cargo like space shuttles, it was operated by Ukraine's Antonov Airlines at $30,000 per hour. Tragically, the Sol An-225 was destroyed in 2022 during the Russia-Ukraine war. Plans to rebuild it are underway, supported by global donations aiming to restore its role in transporting massive cargo for humanitarian and commercial purposes. Its future symbolizes resilience and innovation, ensuring its legacy as a pinnacle of aviation achievement lives on. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The SR-71 Blackbird, a Cold War-era reconnaissance plane, is the fastest manned aircraft, reaching Mach 3.3. Operated by the U.S. Air Force, its estimated cost was $34 million per unit. Retired in 1998, it remains a legend in military aviation. Future advancements in hypersonic technology, like the SR-72, aim to build on its legacy, with unmanned hypersonic aircraft expected to dominate reconnaissance and defense by the 2030s.